Hello, we're standing here at the Forbidden City now. What are we here for?
To take photos?
Okay, why don't we show off all of today's gear?
Of course.
You are.
The iPhone 16 and then the iPhone 17 Pro.
Okay, I'm using the iPhone Air. Let me see, I only have one lens here. Can my single lens beat your three?
Sure thing.
Alright, let's go.
Well, let's go.
Hey, wait a second. Before we go, let's grab a quick cup of hot coffee first.
Okay. Is there coffee in the Forbidden City?
Yeah, I actually found one called Ice Cellar Coffee.
Why is there ice cellar coffee in Forbidden City?
I'll just go take a look and find out.
Ooh.
Then I'll tilt it too. Take a picture for me. The Empress is what? Toilet. Toilet bowl. Empress. Really? Inside there. Inside there. This little hole? You mean? Yeah. This little hole is the Empress's toilet. Right. You are the Empress. Are you going to go? I won't go. That is definitely not what I was expecting. Not at all. Why on earth is there a toilet sitting right there? Is it not allowed inside this house?
Not that advanced.
Not that advanced.
Right. Not that advanced.
Hahaha. Well then, should we maybe try asking the AI? Why are you so certain about this issue?
Because we definitely need to. The one who loses the game gets to hit the other person's butt.
That is excellent. Come on, just ask me.
In the Qing Dynasty. How exactly did the Empress use the toilet? In the Forbidden City.
Qing Dynasty empresses used official toilets, mostly rectangular wooden frames with soft cushion, inner wick, lined with oilcloth and sandalwood shavings. Eunuchs in yellow cloth head covers rotated in shifts.
Hey, you better give me your butt right now. There were too many people today. Right, experience it. Then we decided to begin our journey. From this magnificent and ancient historic center of grand imperial power. Oh dear, it fell down. Then immediately transition to
A bustling modern commercial street.
So how do we transfer? How about we teleport?
Why isn't it snowing at 0 degrees?
Why does it have to snow at 0 degrees? There's no direct connection between the two. It's so cold, I've turned into a bandit already.
Yeah, sure.
My hands are already frozen stiff.
I told you to wear gloves, but you wouldn't.
Wearing gloves would affect my performance.
Alright then.
I am finally home.
Yeah, it's true.
It's so cold. Beijing, how can it be this cold? It's time for the photography and card game session again? Yeah. So this time we have a small request. Didn't we shoot at 2 different places? One was inside the Forbidden City. Right. Very ancient. It really had that imperial palace vibe. And the other was at the Sanlitun commercial center. Right? Very commercial. It has a very modern feel. Yeah. So when we play cards later, if you play an ancient character, I can only play a modern one. Okay.
But there's something different this time. I'm using an iPad mini.
Yeah, why is that? Because we originally thought about it, printing out slightly larger photos.
Yeah.
Then we actually did all the math. If I were to print out all of our photos and then compare them here, it would actually cost more than buying an iPad mini. Yeah, right. So this time we're going paperless for our photo sharing. All right? Okay, then I will go ahead first now.
See?
Let's go in chronological order. I'll start first. With my first photo, this is the very first photo I took. I'll show this one.
Take a look at this one. It has 2 main points. The first point is that it has vibrant blue and red, and a lot of solid black in the middle. And also many lines. Next.
Look, what are the lines like?
They're all curvy and winding.
Right. Most of them are curved, aren't they? And right inside there, you will see a perfectly straight line dividing it in half.
The second aspect is that some of the colors are in large blocks.
Okay, you can look for it based on this.
Why did you choose this one? Doesn't it have sharp edges? Mine is pointy too, and both have lots of stripes.
Looking at the back, it's actually also a color block.
Right. Block, 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 block. I also have big blocks here.
With these two together, I'll go first.
I'm going to go first.
Please go ahead.
Oh, I actually like this specific one.
It really has a sense of story.
If your head were to the side, it would be perfect.
That would be a bit difficult, wouldn't it? Besides, I think it feels even better like this.
Okay.
It feels like this person is about to come over, and they are going to assassinate me.
Chop you up.
Oh, it's a food delivery guy. Oh. Ayo, this one of yours is actually a bit challenging.
I wanted a photo without anyone in it, but then pressing the shutter, I was in the shot.
I see. This shot of yours is pretty amazing. Ayo, your photo is too good. I can't compete.
Yeah, for sure. I think that's what makes it good.
Yeah. I have to admit, your shot is indeed really clever. I don't think I have...
Nope.
No, your photo is just too amazing. I can't match it. I chose this one because I really think it tells a great story.
I went to take a picture of this person. And then, honestly, I just absolutely enjoyed photographing him. And then he gave me an orange. And then I took a quick photo of myself holding the orange.
The fruits of your labor. Were you happy?
So happy.
So next, let's make a video as usual. Right, just like always, let's do a video photo exhibition.
Yeah, that's right.
Please do enjoy watching.
What? Hold your breath after peeling it off. They were afraid of disturbing the sleeping red walls.
The shadow was silent. Run up the staircase of light. As we walked,
An iron bird flew by.
it captured the golden sun's color.
History is heavy and it has awakened the dragon.
Today it was so close then, it suddenly flew way up into the clouds.
The smile at this moment is a testament to the fleeting nature of time.
Where is he going?
He casts aside his old rusted armor, gifting you an infinite future.
Alright, that's it for this episode of our walk and shoot photo challenge. We'll end it here. So, what do you think about this single lens setup? Is there any real difference with 3 lenses?
Yes, there is. For photographers, I think it's a big help. There are a lot of zoom levels. You can switch directly from ultra-wide angle to telephoto.
You can shoot things both near and far, right?
Yeah.
Personally, I don't think there's a big difference. Of course, having 3 lenses is more convenient, but whether you can actually take good photos or not, I do not believe. It depends on having 3 lenses. It depends on what I am thinking when I get there, and how I use my creativity to take photos. Alright, I wonder what others think about this question. Feel free to share thoughts in the comments and chat with us. Alright, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to follow our channel. See you next time. Bye for now.